Lone wolf. That's who you are when the world doesn't clap for your dreams. That's who you become when no one sees the vision but you. That's who you must be when distractions scream louder than your purpose. Let's talk about growth. Real growth. The kind that doesn't wait for permission. The kind that doesn't need applause. The kind that starts in silence. In solitude. In the shadows. The kind that belongs to the lone wolf. Why growth begins alone. Most people wait. Wait for the right time. Wait for the right team. Wait for the right mood. But the lone wolf doesn't wait. The lone wolf starts. Growth isn't a group activity. It's personal. It's brutal. It's lonely. You'll have days when your motivation is missing. When your energy is drained. When your mind whispers. Just scroll Instagram for 5 minutes. But the lone wolf doesn't scroll. The lone wolf builds. Stop watching others. Start building yourself. Comparison is the thief of momentum. You see someone else's success and think, "I'm behind." You see someone else's content and think, "Mine isn't good enough." You see someone else's life and forget how powerful yours could be. Lone wolf. You weren't born to copy. You were born to create. You weren't born to follow. You were born to lead. You weren't born to scroll. You were born to sculpt your future. The time is now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not when you feel ready. Lone wolf. The clock is ticking. Every second you procrastinate is a second stolen from your future self. You don't need perfect conditions. You need relentless action. Start the blog. Build the business. Write the code. Record the video. Apply for the job. Learn the skill. Lone wolf. You don't need a crowd. You need courage. Steve Jobs. The lone wolf who changed the world. Steve Jobs didn't start with a billion-dollar company. He started in a garage. He started with vision, obsession, and grit. He was fired from his own company. He was mocked for his ideas. He was told he was too intense, too different, too much. But he kept going. He kept building. He kept believing. Lone wolf. Jobs didn't wait for validation. He created it. He didn't follow trends. He set them. He didn't ask for permission. He made history. Other lone wolves who rose from nothing. Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty. Abused. Rejected. She built an empire from pain. Elon Musk. Slept on couches. Taught himself rocket science. Built SpaceX when everyone laughed. J.K. Rowling. Rejected by 12 publishers. Depressed. Broke. She wrote Harry Potter anyway. Michael Jordan. Cut from his high school basketball team. Became the greatest of all time. They were lone wolves before they were legends. How to keep going when you want to quit. Create a daily ritual. Lone wolves thrive on discipline. Wake up. Work. Repeat. Block distractions. Turn off notifications. Unfollow noise. Protect your focus. Track progress. Small wins matter. Lone wolves celebrate every inch forward. Visualize the end game. See the future. Feel it. Chase it. Talk to yourself like a warrior. I am built for this. I am unstoppable. I am the lone wolf. The lone wolf mentality. You don't need motivation. You need movement. You don't need support. You need self-belief. You don't need applause. You need obsession. You don't need shortcuts. You need scars. Lone wolf. You are the storm. You are the spark. You are the system. You are the solution. Brick by brick. Day by day. You won't see results tomorrow. You won't feel proud every day. You won't always be confident. But if you keep going, if you keep building, if you keep believing, you'll wake up one day and realize you didn't just survive. You didn't just grow. You became unstoppable because you were the lone wolf. Final words. Lone wolf forever. So when the world is quiet, when your friends are partying, when your phone is buzzing, when your doubts are loud, remember this. Lone wolf doesn't quit. Lone wolf doesn't wait. Lone wolf doesn't compare. Lone wolf doesn't stop. You are the lone wolf. Now go build your empire.